Looking for the best AI video generators in 2026? Here are the top tools you need to know. First, Google Veo 3.1. It's the king of quality, producing 4K videos with native audio and dialogue. Next,
It's my happy day, I want to sing it all the day. My best friends are always with me. We sing, we dance, we laugh, we are happy every day. Have fun with us, let's say happy, 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 happy. Happy. Happy, 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 happy. It is my happy day, I want to sing it all the day. My best friends are always with me. We sing, we dance, we laugh, we are happy every day. Have fun with us, let's say happy, 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 happy.
OpenAI Sora 2, the best for storytelling, narrative logic, and emotional depth. For creative control, Runway Gen 4 offers unmatched artistic filters and precise camera angles. Excels in long-form content and the most realistic human motion and lip sync. For business and social content, Heygen and Synthesia lead the way with professional AI avatars. And for quick marketing,
Rouba meu coração, vai quicando, vai chutando. Ela desce, ela sobe, no baile é pressão. Mina linda, perigosa, rouba meu coração.
marketing clips, InVideo AI provides the easiest stock-based editing. Choose Veo for quality, Sora for stories, and Heygen for your business avatars. Which one will you try first? Start creating your next viral video today.